For tutorial number 3. So this tutorial is a practice for using a Java FX to create a graphic user interface. So for this specific application we're looking at right now, it's called a FX mouse application. So there are 4 classes. FX mouse application is a main class, and also we have also created 3 class called ball, moving world, and a paddle. So those 3 classes basically representing 3 objects will be moving in the window. So FX multiplication was mainly from professor's source code. And we start with a ball. Ball defined a ball objects will be moving within a window. So the ball code is right here. So I'm not going to explain a lot because it's mainly from professor's code too. And then we create another class called a paddle class. So this paddle class is about, we have a rectangular paddle will be moving as user give the when user input the key arrows on the keyboard. So here's how we define the paddle, and also give the define a constructor called handle key priced event. Basically give the 4 we have the 4 cases of the 4 represent the 4 directions and how this rectangular going to be moved in the window. And the third class, the third object class, we call it the moving word. So basically was originally from the main application representing that the greeting words, and now we separated, put it into a separate class. This is about the code. So now I'm gonna run this code. Okay, here is a window. We see the hello world, and this red ball is moving. And now here is a green rectangular. So we're gonna move into the left. As you can tell, the rectangular is moving. Meanwhile, from the console table, it shows the direction of the from the arrow key. So I'm gonna try as well. Yeah, so it works perfectly. So I'm gonna use my mouse key as well. Okay, yeah. So this is the demo video for this tutorial. Thank you.